Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI MatePad 11. In this video I'll show you all camera modes and settings. At the beginning, let's start with modes. So, from these system modes we've got panorama and time-lapse. Then we've got video, photo and beauty. For normal modes, we can turn on or off flashlight. We can change zoom and brightness level. For video, in settings you can change aspect ratio, audio control, video resolution, frame rate, and we can turn on or off assistive grid, horizontal level, timer, location tags, or we can mute the shutter and add floating shutter button. And that's basically it for camera modes and settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.